is Earth Overshoot Day calculated? The date will be calculated by the evolution of carbon emission, forest harvest, food demand, and factors that could impact global capacity of regeneration. Earth Overshoot Day is also known as Ecological Debt Day. We are using our planet's resources very much faster. Within 6 to 7 months, we are completely consuming the resources of that particular year Earth can regenerate. Environment provides resources for humanity in two different kinds: renewable and non-renewable resources. There is no issue with renewable resources, but overexploitation of non-renewable resources will end up with the vanishing of that particular resource in the nearest future. Earth Overshoot Day not only depends on resources usage pattern, but also depends on recycling our waste. If we take plastic, as of 2015, approximately 6.3 billion tons of plastic has been generated. Around 9% recycled, 12% was incinerated, and 79% of plastic was accumulated in landfills. Simply, humanity is using Earth 1.7 times faster than our planet's ecosystem can regenerate or recycle. Year by year, Earth Overshoot Day is moving up and reducing the time to regenerate or recycle. In the year 2019, Earth Overshoot Day struck on 29th July, but in 2020, due to lockdown of pandemic, it was moved down to 22nd August. It is not a big deal to extend the Earth's Overshoot Day if we are together. Plenty of solution exists in 5 major areas for improving Earth's sustainability. Between 70% to 80% of the world's population are expected to live in cities by the year 2050. As a result, smart city planning and urban development strategies are instrumental to making sure there is enough nature capital and to avoid excessive human demand that would erode it. For instance, we build energy efficient building machineries, integrated zonings, compact cities, best public transportation infrastructures. If 50% of the world's population avoid using their personal cars and use public transportation system, we could extend world's overshoot day for 13 days. Because personal vehicles are causing 17% of total world's carbon emission. Carbon footprints makes up to 57% of total ecological damage. If we reduce the present carbon emission to 50%, we can extend Earth Overshoot Day by 93 days. Reducing 50% of the meat consumption with vegetarian diet can move the date for 17 days. If we reduce the food waste by 50%, we can move overshoot day for 13 days. About 1/3 of the total food produced in the world, that is 1.3 billion tons of food per year, is wasting. About 40% of the food is wasted in USA every year. We can reduce the population pressure on our planet if every other family had one less child and motherhood was postponed by 2 years. According to United Nations projects, between 7.5 to 15.6 billion people will be living on Earth by 22nd century. Despite unevenness in our footprints, as population increases, so does pressure on the planet. Reforestation of 350 million hectares of forest would move the overshoot day for 8 days. If every person on the planet plant at least 10 plants, it would make 79 billion trees. It helps our planet a lot. Plant at least 10 plants around your home. It makes your home beautiful and extend Earth's life. We can increase the planet's capacity regeneration by 3 successful keys. Every species on the land and water are important to maintain the ecological balance. Restoration of forests and threatened animal species is important to cure Earth's ecosystem. Moreover, sustainable agriculture and limited fishing can also help in the same way. If you ignore the nature's health and continue deforestation wasting food, energy, we need a second Earth by 2030 to feed humanity.